Hello, my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. Welcome to Market Chameleon. I have partnered with them in the last month or so. You can watch some of my videos on their channel. Let's get started. If you don't have Market Chameleon account just yet, there's a 7 days free trial. Link in the description below. I want to go, first of all, there's insane amount of options to choose from and opportunities in Market Chameleon platform just to check. But today I'm gonna show you a 99% chance win rate, a trade idea. So let's get to it. But before we do, a quick disclaimer. Feel free to read, but keep in mind that this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. With that being said, let's get to it. So I assume a few things about you. You know the basics of options. If you don't, comment below and I'll try to answer. But there's like a million videos on YouTube. What is a call? What is a put? How to buy call? How to buy put? Robinhood. I actually moving right now to Tastyworks because Robinhood is just, let's face it, it's not the big league. It's where retail are, but if I'm going to use options on a daily basis, which I actually started again in the last month since I partnered with Market Chameleon, I've noticed that Robinhood is not exactly like filling bids and all that, and I've watched a lot of videos that says that Tastywork is the real deal, so I'm trying to move. Either way, I assume that you know about the basics. So go to Market Chameleon, sign up for 7 days free trial. I have a premium account for about 3 years now. It's 99 bucks a month, something like that, to open all the features or to open all the screeners right here. And we will go over this one by one during the next couple of weeks. You got covered calls and butterflies and spreads. I like to sell spreads. I've sold some spreads the last month. I own Condor. There was a Condor on Nvidia that generate about 400 bucks while risking maybe 1,000. Market Chameleon finds you trades, not trades, finds you trade ideas. That's the more important phrase, let's say. Find you trade ideas that you collect more income per trade compared to just buying random options. That's what it does at the end of the day. That's the beauty. So if you are in the market for passive income, I won't say passive, but income from selling options, from credit spread, from condors, all that stuff, not specifically to gamble, buy long, buy short, calls, puts, all that, but for income, Market Chameleon will give you trade ideas, trade opportunities that will generate you more than what you should have got. And I'm gonna show you this right now. So go to the home page right here, okay, and we got alerts, trade ideas, news scanner, and then you got all this, the top bullish, there's so much, earnings, dividends, absolutely insane amount of stuff, okay? Okay, go here, and I like to play around between either active options, seasonality bullish, which is where the stock itself or the ETF on a technical level broke a certain level, so it's now super bullish or super bearish, and we're gonna go over this as well on different videos right here. You see bullish opportunities, we got Tesla up 10%, and bearish we got all those in the red. UPS, I talked about it like 2 weeks ago. There was a trade also like 90% chance, something like that, 95% chance. I saw it also in the bearish. Again, this is why you log into Market Chameleon every day. I know I'm digressing, but just doing a quick summary of what I've been doing in the last month and let you know. Sign up, go into Market Chameleon every single day to see the opportunities. They are mind-boggling. That's the bottom line. So there was a trade. UPS was around 135, 136 like a week or two ago. Didn't really change, but the trade was, I think, to sell the 145 call, buy 150 call, something like that. Don't really remember. It was like 99% chance win rate for July. I don't think it expired yet. I really need to make an Excel of all the trades that I'm talking about. I'll probably start something like that. We'll see. We'll see. As of now, UPS is 135. The trade was 145, 150, give or take, which will expire worthless most likely. So every day you got opportunities on the bearish, you got opportunities on the bullish, you got opportunities on seasonality, and you got the most active options. So, and then you got all this, all the strategy, trade by edge, win rate, and any and all that, which opens a whole new bucket of worms. But I like to go, let me show you SPY. We are now at 549 instead of any, okay, which is, you see, if you scroll here, we got so many of this. I'm gonna just change. I like to trade between those two, the top 3 by edge, okay, top 3 by edge, or these are all call options, call options, call option, call option. I'm not dealing with that. I want to generate passive income because, yeah, I'm a little older now. I'm stopped gambling with call options and all that stuff. Top 3 by win rate. This is what I like to do. And we're going to focus on, let's do this one because this gives you a little more compared to this one. But still, if you have a little less, this would be a good trade. Let me go over both of them just so you know. Bull put spread. Okay, let's focus on the middle one. Bull put spread is basically you sell a credit spread. You sell a put credit spread on the SPY, and basically you assume that the trade will not go below the buy level. So what does it mean? What does it mean? You have 99% historical win rate. That means that based on history, based on the past years, you have, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. You won't see 100% chance, it never happens, but 99% win rate, you get 10.2% edge, which means that you are collecting, I'm going to show you the trade in a second, you are collecting $37, okay, 0.37 times 100, you collect $37 compared to literally zero. This trade is worthless. If you take it any other time, whatever, it should be like nothing, like 0.00. That's what it tells you. So this is where Market Chameleon shines. You are collecting passive income compared to what you should have collected, which is zero in the past. So what do we have? We have the SPY at 549, okay, and it tells you to the end of the month, for July, which is like 30 days from now, 29 days from now, give or take, you sell the 533 put, okay, and you buy the 529 put. So you're risking $400 minus the income 37, so it's about 360. Let's say I put 0.4 just for the example, 0.4, $40. So you're risking 360 to collect 40. Yes, I know it doesn't sound a lot, but some people do 10 contracts, 50, 100. Let's say you do 10, you collect $400. You're risking 3,600 if it's on margin. I'm not telling you to do margin or cash. It's up to you. But if it's on margin, you risk even less. Just a lot of things to consider. Remember, SPY can go below 529 by expiration and you will lose all your money. All that Market Chameleon does and tells us right now is that you are collecting more than you should have collected based on history, which is absolutely zero. So if you want to see this trade in more details, you're going to click report right here. Okay, it's going to open, return potential yield 10% in like 30 days. I mean, people are killing it for like, I've seen so much videos in the last week about people doing 2% a month, which is great. Don't get me wrong. If they have 500,000 account, that's $10,000 a month. Beautiful. But if you have a small account, it's a different story. And I assume you don't have $500,000 just to play with credit spreads. If you have less, if you have 1,000, 5,000, 3,000, 10,000, stuff like that, something the Market Chameleon is something to consider for you. Click on payout diagram right here and see, tells you exactly where we are. We are already deep in the money. I assume you know about credit spread as well. If you don't, feel free to comment below. I'll try to help. I'll try to do more how-to videos. This is just the first video on this specific channel. to go over 99% trade idea opportunity on SPY. You already at max profit 37. As I said, if you are taking this trade, try to put a limit of 0.4 and hope to get catch a bid, as they say. And it tells you that your max loss is 360, 363 right here if it goes below 533. And it tells you exactly what's going on. Maximum gain is above 533. Break even, this is where it tells you break even. It's 2.9% from here. So basically SPY needs to go down 3% in the month of July, summer month. There's a 4th of July coming. Is it possible? Sure. Is it? Yeah, but I don't know. But there's a 99% chance based on history that it won't happen. I'm going to show you the history in a second. Maximum loss is if it goes below 529, and you will lose 363 bucks for every spread that you take. If you click here, it tells you that SPY this season is up and averaging between July 2nd and July 31st. It's averaging a positive 2.6%. It's up 0.7% today. It needs to go down 3%, almost 2.9%, just to get to break even. So that's your cushion. It's a big, nice cushion. Again, doesn't mean it won't happen, but the beauty of Market Chameleon that you get premium more than what you should have got based on history. You're already deep in the money. It tells you again this trade, the strategy. Look at this, collect 37 compared to 0, 99% chance win rate, 10% edge takeaway. It tells you the SPY, it's all green. In the last, I don't know how long, last 4 years or so, we are all green. Well, we had a bear market 2021, 2022, crypto mostly, but I'm focusing on stocks. I'm done with crypto. I'm out. Just I'm out of crypto. Like 100%, not even 99%, 100%. Just if in case you're wondering, go back to basics. I actually traded options, I don't know, 20 years ago back home. Start to play around with calls and puts. So this is the advanced. This is to sell options for passive income, and that's the trade. It tells you again, you click on the trade card, tells you again, put credit spread, sell the 533, buy the 529, expiration the end of July, collect a nice premium, and again, 10 credit spreads. It's a car payment. Yes, you can lose all your money. It's up to you. Make a plan when to buy, when to sell. Market Chameleon gives you an edge, which gives you more credit. That's all based on history. That's all. It doesn't mean it's going to go up or down. Gotta understand that. If you have any questions, comment below. I hope to do more videos right now with this partnership with Market Chameleon. I'm glad to be back. Hope everything is okay. This video is a little long because I haven't been here for a while, but I will see you guys next time. Appreciate you all. It's Market Chameleon 7 days trial, link in the description. Bye bye.